There are days when the weight of everything feels too much, a quiet heaviness that settles in your heart, a relentless noise that fills your mind, a world that seems to be spinning just a little too fast. You wake up, and before your feet even touch the floor, you feel tired, an exhaustion that sleep couldn't seem to touch. You go through the motions, a passenger in your own life, and smile through the quiet ache. In those moments, remember, it's okay to pause. It's not a sign of weakness. It's an act of profound self-respect. Give yourself permission to simply stop. Take a breath, a real one. Feel the air fill your lungs, hold it for a moment, and then let it all go. Let the tension leave your shoulders, your jaw, your hands. In this small space, there is peace. It's okay to rest, to wrap your hands around a warm mug and do nothing at all, to allow your mind to be quiet, even if just for a minute. You're not weak for needing a break. You are human. Healing isn't a race to the finish line. It's a gentle walk, sometimes with no destination in mind. Maybe healing today looks like stepping outside, feeling the sun on your skin, or the cool breeze on your face. Noticing the small details, the way the light filters through the leaves, the sound of birds in the distance. Remember that even the vast ocean has waves that rise and fall. It pulls back only to return. Your energy is no different. There is a rhythm to your resilience. Strength isn't about pushing through relentlessly. It's about knowing when to hold on and when to let the tide carry you for a while. It's about honoring the quiet moments as much as the victories. One day, you'll look back at this time, not with sorrow for the struggle, but with a quiet pride. You'll see the landscape of your own strength, forged in the stillness and the storms. You'll realize the storm didn't break you, it built you.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.